Many Samsung or other smart TV users face an issue where specific remote buttons, like the home, power, or source buttons, stop working. Today, I'll show you 3 quick methods to fix this. This is different from a completely unresponsive remote. For that, check the video linked in the upper right corner or in the description. So here are the methods. This method works for TVs that are a few years old but can also work on newer models. Turn on the TV. Hold down the power button on the TV itself for 5 seconds. Immediately after, hold down the power button on the remote for 5 seconds. The TV will turn off for about 30 seconds and then restart in installation mode. Unplug the TV's power cable for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This reset often resolves remote issues. If it doesn't work, check out the video link in the upper right corner for an alternative reset or cold boot method. If your home button isn't working, you won't be able to access the settings menu to perform a factory reset. Even if you manage to access settings another way, entering the PIN can be impossible. The best solution is to use a USB keyboard. Connect a USB keyboard to the TV via any USB port. Press the Command and Windows keys on the keyboard to access the settings menu. Navigate to General Settings and scroll down to Reset. Select Reset, enter the default PIN 0000 and press Enter. The factory reset should fix this issue. If the issue still persists, open the remote carefully. Clean the inside, especially the buttons, as dust buildup can prevent them from working. If none of these methods work, don't waste time. Get a replacement remote. If this guide helped, please like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips.